I'm downloading and see if I have the latest version of the Ninja Trader.
Okay.
So I'm trying that out.
Yeah. Well, good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. We're live. We're ready to make some money today. Hopefully, you guys are going to stay safe in the markets today. I'm ready to make some money today, gentlemen and ladies. It's Friday, so try to go into the weekend green. So not going to push anything, not going to rush. But hey, if the market gives us what we want, we're definitely going to take it. We're definitely going to take it. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Let me get these chats pulled up here. Just so I can see everything. I dropped my girl and the kids off at the airport. So it's official. It's official.
I like that coat, man. You're like Big Pip.
I'm glad you like the coat. I'm glad you like the coat.
You should go back and buy it, man. And you're like, you'll show up, you'll be in the press. You'll think you're like a visiting like hip hop star.
That's hilarious. I know my son would love that coat because on one of his video games, his character is dressed in all gold with a gold chain and everything, a money chain. So I'm sure he would have loved it. He would have loved it, but I did not show him because if I did that, then it probably would have been coming home.
Well, you gotta, if you have that coat, you have to have a walk. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be like swinging that arm out and stuff, like strutting. And a cane. You need a cane. A hurricane.
That's awesome.
So like along the lines of what we talked about the other day, because I didn't talk to you yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm going to be kind of tracking and like watching what you're doing too.
Okay. I'm trying to log in and everything. I rushed back to the house so we could jump on stream here.
Oh, so you just took them this morning?
Yeah, I literally just dropped them. Luckily, I had most of my stuff set up, but gotta finish getting everything dialed in here.
For some reason, I thought they were going last night. But...
Well, they were supposed to, but
okay.
What you about to do? You chilling though?
We just didn't feel like having my girl and the kids rush because we were still running around town, everything like that yesterday. So instead of just rushing, we just moved the flight to this morning just to keep it calm.
Yeah, that's cool. Why rush if we don't have to?
Exactly. All right, so all that's dialed in. Let me make sure our streams are sounding crispy.
Hey, what's up, Duane?
Morning, Dave.
How you doing? Hey, I had a question. With the connections, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you just link it to any Ninja Trader? Cause I see Ninja Trader Continuum.
Yep, just do the Ninja Trader one.
All right, but it keeps telling me to pay for an order flow.
Pay for an order flow?
Right.
Yeah.
You don't have to pay for anything on Ninja. If it's asking you to pay for order flow, you may want to just make sure your Ninja's updated, because as long as you have the correct credentials from whatever prop firm you're using and you're connecting the Tradeovate to it, you should be good, because you don't have to pay anything after that.
That happened to me, and I had to sign like a disclosure. Like it popped up a screen, and I just had to like click, and it was free, but it just like it wasn't checked.
Okay.
That was a while ago, though.
Yeah.
What was that on the browser?
No, that was a desktop one. It's like I went to the control. Yeah, I went to the control. I went to the control panel, and then let me see. I went to the client dashboard, and in the client dashboard there was like a thing that you just clicked, and it said it was free, but it just basically like allows you to get that stuff, and then it linked. But that was like months ago.
Good morning, Brett. Jumping in the chassis, sir. I see you.
I've been having that issue for a minute now.
Yeah, for me, like it updated, and then I had to go to the client dashboard. So I would check there. Maybe that'll help you. Hey,
All right,
Dwayne,
let
you
me
sound clear,
actually.
but you sound a little low today. Like when people are talking, they're like more gain than you.
I sound low.
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean it sounds clean, but it sounds like lower.
Okay. I'll,
How would
I'll
you,
pump me
how
up
would
a little bit here. I'll pump me up a little bit. Nothing too crazy.
how would you update the software, like through the Ninja Trader software, like, or you'll
Yeah,
have
you
to go
just
on
gotta
the
make sure
browser?
you have the most up to date for the Ninja Trader because they do drop releases here and there, but it's not all the time. Let me jump on these charts now. I'll be waiting the first 15 minutes. It's Friday. Your boy ain't rushing today. I refuse to rush because we're going to the weekend. I want to go into the weekend green. I got 6 days. Well, after today, I only have 5 more days to trade for the year of 2025, which is crazy to even say. But I'm excited, to say the least. I'm just pulling up. I'm putting lines on my chart. Yeah, I'm not rushing today, sir. Brett, you already know, sir. I'm not Russian today. I'm not Ukrainian either. Just saying. Don't want people feeling some type of way. Any big plans for the weekend? Who's doing something fun this weekend? That's the $1 million question.
SG million.
All right. So, just so we all know, currently we're sitting above, like right above the range from yesterday. Currently sitting above the range from yesterday. We're currently down at the 21 EMA. We're tapping a 21 EMA as well. We'll just push right up off of it. VWAP people, 311.75. 311.75 for the VWAP. And then we have the close from yesterday, 219. 219 for the close from yesterday. As it sits, your boy's gonna be waiting for the move.
And don't we have news at 10, baby?
Oh, thank you, sir. We do have news at 10 o'clock today for home sales. So we should get some type of movement with that. But we're going to be patient. We're going to wait. And that's it. I'm excited. I'm excited to be trading right now, people. You guys have no clue how excited I am. Let me make sure.
You really love us.
All right, music sounding crispy. I may turn it up just slightly because it does sound kind of low on the stream. All righty, well, there we go. All righty. Now I'm dialed in, ready to execute. I got to, let me stop sharing my music only on the Zoom call so I can adjust my audio levels real quick.
15-minute orb?
Yeah, I'm waiting on a 15-minute order, but my ninja shit is acting stupid.
The 6-minute orb? Is that what I heard?
15-minute.
Oh. Well, I just like making sure because there's all kinds of stuff. You know what I'm saying?
There we go.
Hey, respect to you, man. I hope everybody's doing good, man. I appreciate everybody on this stream.
Yeah, everyone is ready to execute today. Market is officially open there. Market is open, people. Don't rush. There is no rush. Try and get these. There we go. That should be better.
Order filled.
No order filled. No order filled by me, at least.
I like it. Sometimes it's like the dude says it's like order filled. It's like, wait, where'd the girl go? And then sometimes both of them say it's like a duet.
A duet. All right, pushing up to through the overnight high. So just push through there. We're coming up to yesterday's high as well. So let me sit on my hands here because I gotta wait the first 15 minutes. Easier said than done. Easier said than done, people.
Bro, you're fine.
I know I'm fine, but it's one of those things where it's like, when you see like nice pushes, it makes you want to jump in, but when you know you can't, it's like, dang, you feel like you're missing out. That FOMO.
There's no FOMO with Duane.
No, there is FOMO sometimes. That's why I'm
Okay.
being real with everybody. You know, I'm not a robot, people. I'm not a robot.
No,
I
you're a
am
robot.
human. Oh yeah, just so everyone knows, for everyone listening to the sound of my voice, we officially crossed 91,000 views on the channel for the past 28 days. Crazy.
Awesome.
Straight craziness. Like, super happy about that, and just I love to see the growth. I love to see the growth, all because of you guys on the YouTube streams. Appreciate you guys. I got brothers and sisters everywhere on the streams. Big shout out to my brother Brett. He's my Canadian brother. And then Mel's in here. She's my Netherlands sister. And then Noble, another Texas brother of mine. Yeah, I got brothers and sisters everywhere. We're worldwide, people.
What about your homeboy from Longwood?
Well, I got my homeboy over there in Longwood. He's more than a brother. What would that be considered? I'm not going to say a dad because that's just awkward. Oh.
No, I got enough kids, brother. No, man,
I got love for all you guys. Want to see all you guys win. And that's what we're pushing towards. That's what we're pushing towards.
Hey, Steve.
Yo.
So you said you have to check something on the account?
Yeah, on mine, when you got your Ninja opened up, you go to the control center. Let me see. Give me a second here. I haven't done it in a while. Go to tools, I think. And then
Tools.
and then under tools, open up client dashboard, and that's gonna open like a browser window, and just scroll all the way through that and make sure. Like in my case, there was like a little thing there that said, it's a free subscription to the feed, and it wasn't checked. It was just like I had to acknowledge it. But it had like a line item, like $0 a month or whatever, and then once I did that, it came back.
Okay.
And welcome back to you, man. I'm glad to hear from you.
Thank you.
Let me email my banker because
I'm glad to hear from you too, Steve.
That 2026, the best year ever.
Yes, sir. I'm excited. All right, I think I just remember that. I just had to email my banker there. Almost forgot. That would have been bad.
But the end of year stuff is crazy. So you have a pivot point at like 460 area?
I have a pivot currently at 454. Well, yep, 454 even.
Okay.
454 even's
okay.
a pivot.
Okay, yeah, it moved. So yeah, that's it.
Okay.
It's being blocked by the thing, so we're good. I just want to make sure we're roughly calibrated.
Yeah.
Duane will be like, we went through the VWAP. It's like, wait.
Wait.
The VWAP's 40 pips away.
That's awesome. Patiently waiting here. Patiently waiting.
Hey, Duane.
Yes, sir.
All right, so I have them. I have to do everything now, pretty much. With the new Ninja trade I just put in, so I'm pretty much I have to put the new workspaces and all that.
Okay, I thought you just had the one chart that you were trying to fix, not all of them.
Well, I deleted all of it pretty much. So now I gotta do everything over again.
Okay. Well, you should still have the workspace, so you could just literally upload it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. If you still have the file saved for the workspace, you can literally just import that.
Hold on, let me see. I think I still have it. Hold on, let me see.
And there's only one thing that I did in the beginning where I actually was closing charts, and I didn't realize that you close the charts it would save like that, but I was able to like.
Listen, because I just did it because I felt like I see it's tripping, it's acting stupid, so I'm like, let me just delete everything and then reinstall it. You know? But I'm trying to. How do you change the code, like the color? I don't like this white thing all over this. Like the skin, the color of the Ninja Trader.
I hate white people too. Oh wait, no wait. Damn cracking motherfucker. That's gonna be like night view or something.
I'm trying to
it
see
should be. You can literally just right click on your chart, go down to properties.
Hold on.
And then you can adjust the colors right here for the background,
Dwayne.
everything like that.
Hold on, let me
Dwayne,
see it again on your screen, Dwayne. Hold on, let me see. Where did you click at?
You just right click on the chart, go down to properties, and then you have scroll down and it says chart background. You can put it to black, everything like that.
Oh.
Well, yeah, it'll say skin, and then you can put Ninja Trader dark.
Yeah.
I'm trying to hold.
Hey Dwayne, you ought to tell people just like out in the world that I'm white, so I'm not being like I'm being silly, not post-racial.
Yes.
So we don't want to lose anybody thinking.
No, we're not going to lose anybody because if they don't have a sense of humor, they shouldn't be here. Just for everyone's peace of mind, Steve, one of the people you hear talking on the call here, he is white. People, he is white, so he's joking around. So calm it down. If someone got their panties in a bunch, relax, people. Not that serious.
Yeah, relax. I just wanted to say that because it come across brutalist. Like, no.
Are we getting ready to build a bull flag on this 5 minute? Let me get my lines drawing so we can start drawing here.
So it's telling me that it's all fully accessed right to the account plan, but it doesn't let me upgrade to the $0 per month.
Upgrade to $0 a month.
Yeah, for market data and all that from Ninja Trader.
There's not a checkbox there. Like when I was there, I went in and there was like a checkbox where you just did it, and then it worked.
Yeah, I guess the status it says for CME bundle, top of book. It says inactive. I don't know why.
What prop firm are you trading with?
I'm using Tradeify, but I'm trying to. I have the Ninja Trader account.
Yeah.
But it keeps saying that like order flow subscription.
Did you like make a new Tradeify account or no? Like a full account or no?
Not really because I've been having access from the same one.
Yeah. Well, do this. Log into your Tradeivate and make sure there's nothing updated in there for you where you may have to sign something.
All right.
We got 6 minutes. I'm gonna run downstairs real quick, grab a cup of water before this 9:45 here, so we can start executing. I see a potential bull flag wanting to push.
Hey,
we're above that pivot point as well.
Let's go back. You say you're gonna get a cup of water, not like a bottle of water?
Yeah, I'm basic today, people. Basic. I'm gonna bring a cup today. I'm getting a cup. I'll be right back, people. We're right above that pivot, so if we push away from it to the upside, just be careful. Just be careful. BRB.
Order bills.
No. I had to come lock in with my brother today.
Looks like I won't be trading today on what you call it.
It's not coming through, brother. Not at all.
I won't be trading.
Hey, see if Duane could like resend that file, because then it'll all open up back up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'll wait till when he gets back. If not, I'll just trade on. Probably just won't trade today.
You can't leave all that money on the table.
Man, I'm literally not. I'm pissed off at myself, man. 'Cause I'm like, why is this acting stupid? Like, I logged in this morning and the wrinkles would not pop up. The wrinkle chart wouldn't pop up. I'm like, what is going on? Everything. Now I deleted everything. I was saying, now I'm back to like square one now.
Yeah, he'll get it. He'll resend that, and then you can at least get in enough, and then you could always, like, if you do anything, just start manipulate it, and then say save as, and make like a new workspace, so you always have that backup one.
When you save those workspaces, where does it go?
Say that again?
When you have your work on your control center, like if you open your control center, it'll say workspaces. And then, you know, if you got it from Duane, you got like a lot of cool stuff. Like we only use one of them, but it's like $5 signs, $50 signs, freedom, moneymaker, the big money, the best.
All right.
The great.
Chart background. Okay, where did you say to go for the All right, because I clicked the chart. I'm trying to switch it to the dark.
There's like a dark mode on it.
Go to your settings in Ninja Trader.
We're pushing here.
Okay,
We're pushing.
Okay, because look, it's like I'm still going through the same thing over here. I only see my 5 minute chart and 2 minutes. But I don't know, for some reason the wrinkles are not popping up. For some reason, I don't know why.
But is there an actual third chart, G? Because so you have to create a new chart.
Hold on.
That's all you have to do for that.
I'm gonna show you my screen. Let me show you on my screen, just so y'all know. Hold on. I know I'm not tripping. So look, I flip this. Okay, here we go. See, right?
Yeah. So you need to add another chart. That's all you gotta do.
Yeah, you're deconstructed, dude.
How do I do that?
So go to the control panel for Ninja Trader. Then you're going to click new chart.
Hold on. New chart? Okay.
Yep.
All right.
And then you're going to put it for the NQ. And then right there, you should be able to select wrinkles as well.
Oh, just put right here where it says select, just type NQ right here.
Yep.
Okay, with 59.45, gentlemen.
Thank you, Steve.
NQ. Okay, Nasdaq.
Yep.
Well, I haven't checked his workspace, baby, because he could fast track that probably if he just got his workspace.
Okay, so all right, click OK on this one.
Yep, and that's going to give you that third chart for you.
Okay.
And then you can switch that and just set it for wrinkles.
How do I do that?
Trying to see your screen here.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. Do you have the file that I sent you for the wrinkles, or the file that I put in the community?
I think it's this. I have it on here. I think. I still have it.
Okay,
Right.
so
Ninja Rinko. It's called Ninja Rinko.
So just upload that file that's in the community, and that'll get you the wrinkle bars.
Okay, I have to upload it.
Yep. It'll be an import.
Where do I go to tool? Wait.
I got you. Let me switch back. So because I'm not looking at my control center, trying to look at yours. All right, so it will be under tools, import, and then you'll import the file that's in the community.
Okay, go to backup file.
Yep.
Oh, it says close all of. Oh, wow.
Back to the charts here. So that bull flag that I called out definitely pushed, I'll say.
And on the 1 minute, you can see a bull flag.
Yep, that's a nice little bull flag right there on that 1 minute as well. So we are out of the first 15 minutes here. We're at the high of the range. So now I'm just waiting for the move. Since I missed that bull flag that I called out, sadly.
Oh, do I go to Ninja Script add-on or backup?
It should
add-on.
Yeah, it should be the add-on since you're importing that file.
Okay.
All right, and we're still pushing. We just broke out of the 15-minute range right there, gentlemen. Now I'm just waiting. Now I'm just waiting here. I want to see us retest the high of the 15-minute range, and then we continue to push. I would prefer a flag. Trying to be as safe as possible. Even if you don't take a trade, that does not mean you lost for the day. That means you protected your money. Because if there's not the move you want, don't try trading it.
Yeah, don't jump in.
That's something that I'm working on for myself. Just reminding myself it's okay not to take a trade. Because we feel like when we see the charts going up and down, we just want to be in. We want to be in the party, you know what I'm saying? But sometimes it's okay to skip the party because the party may not be good for you some days. Just being real. All right, we're starting. Let's see if we get some momentum and structure for this flag here. Because I'm ready. I'm ready to execute.
Okay, it says I added that. All right. Let's see. You need this spot. Yes. Right.
We're currently in the 15-minute range. If I'm taking along, I want to wait till we get out of the 15-minute range here.
Hey,
while we're here,
Yes, sir.
when you're looking for a flag to form, which time frame you mainly take your actions on?
I'm taking the actions, like executing the trades on the Renko bars.
Yeah. On the wrinkle bars.
Yeah, that's the one where I'm executing. So I'm spotting the flags on the 5 minute, the 2 minute, and the 1 minute, but I'm only taking the trade on the Renko bars. Because on the Renkos, what's cool is you don't want to jump in prematurely, right? So if we see a flag forming, like right here with this bull flag, I want to see the momentum push through the yellow line with follow through. So I'm not going to jump in the trade down here. I'm waiting till we push through the line.
yeah, and then you're looking for heavy.
Exactly, because a lot of traders, what they do, I've done it plenty of times myself, is I'll see the flag forming, I'll jump in early, and then it'll continue building structure of the flag. So I may hit my stop loss, or I may be getting chopped up of the up and down while it's building the structure of the flag. So instead of jumping in early, just wait for the momentum on the Renko bars to push through the line, the top line for the flag, or the bottom line of the flag if it's a bear flag, to execute your trade. And we only execute as long as there's follow through. That 1 minute, not really liking that 1 minute since I'm trying to see. I want the bull flag here.
Well, what's weird is it's just like, those two previous candles like cut off at the same area of resistance.
Yeah.
But there's you can see the wick underneath, so it's trying to push, but the fight is real right in that area. Hey, whenever you get a second and you're not like it's not taking you from anything, can you confirm the top and the bottom of the 15-minute?
Oh, here comes the. Oh, it's getting ready to ramp up here. The top of that 15-minute range is currently at 564.75. That's the high for the range right now.
Okay, and then the low.
Yeah, I'm looking at multiple charts here, trying to time this entry.
Yeah, no problem.
357 even. 357 even is the low of that 15-minute range. The high for the 15-minute range is, let me go back to it, 565. So,
thank you.
yes, sir. Just waiting. We're waiting here. I want to get this bull flag.
We all want the bull flag. Remember, I made a covenant with you.
That you did. That you did. We're getting closer and closer to that yellow line.
But I'm looking at the Renkos, and it's kind of like 2 steps forward, 1 step back. So it needs to like get some heaviness in it and get that momentum that we like.
Yep, and that's why we're just waiting until we see that clear momentum.
Wait. So
we
you
don't
mean
take
I
a
don't
trade.
have to? You mean I don't have to click just to click?
No, sir. BP, good morning, sir.
There he is.
All right, BP just said in the chat, everyone go short. 15 contracts.
15,
It's a joke, people.
20.
Do not go short right now. Do not go short.
He told me 20.
Right now, we do have these selling wicks on these candles. So we may not get the bull flag how we want it right now because we got those wicks. So we're going to see. Oh, I sold my kids for this trade, dude. BP. So I'm all in. Right now, we're sitting with a lot of selling pressure. Just want to see some clean momentum.
That's a good bull flag for me, though.
Yep. We're hugging that yellow line. We are hugging that yellow line, but let's see what. Oh, yeah. Switched over to the 1 minute. Lots of consolidation right there. Easy to see.
Really?
We're just waiting. If we don't get the bull flag, that's okay. We'll pivot and go for a potential short as long as we have momentum.
If you're trading the box, the logic would be to go short right now. Because if you look at the previous, like the where it was, and then the 15-minute range, it's on the high side. But
yeah,
whatever that's worth. I want to see us.
No, you're good. You're good.
I just want to see us break out of this 15-minute range. We're going to do something and go.
Well, we're waiting. We got news at 10 o'clock today. So keep that in mind, gentlemen and ladies. News at 10. Home sales.
4 minute, 55 seconds. Home
sales. There's a lot of selling pressure.
There is a lot of selling pressure. That's why we haven't gone long yet. And we start coming on down, we'll switch over, look for a short. Yep. 5 minutes out, people, for news. 5 minutes out. For everyone in the back of the class, welcome to the morning stream. Appreciate you guys tuning in. We're trying to make some money today. Going to the weekend green. But we're patiently waiting. We gotta be like a trained sniper. We're laying in prone, ready to execute. But we gotta have the move.
We're all set, man. We're having fun.
So looking on my trading view chart, it's a little bit cleaner because I got the bars way bigger over there. We did have a small bear flag. So right here is trying to show a small bear flag right here.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm just not overly sold on it. Not overly sold on it.
How about 2 payments in 1995? Act now. Well, wait, there's more.
All right, Bull's trying to step in here. We're pushing through the yellow line now on the 5 minute. Want to push through on the 2 minute yellow line. The way I measure the momentum is based on my yellow line. I want to see on the wrinkle bars clean momentum in one direction. If we have clean momentum in one direction, that's when I'll take a trade. We're coming up 9:57. I want to jump in on this bull flag, but we got that news at 10 o'clock. So I'm like torn right now.
Well, you're going to make the smart choice because you have people out there watching you all over the world.
Full tilt. I got everybody watching. We got over 20 people on these. Full tilt. That's all I know. I'm going all in, people.
That's selling pressure.
But this is why I like marking our charts, putting the line on the chart, and telling yourself, if we don't push through with momentum, we're not taking a trade.
That doodle is good.
So we can have the up and downs all day long, but until we have the clean momentum on the wrinkle bars, we're not executing a trade. Because most traders just jump in, and you guys aren't most traders. We're patient, we're waiting. And we're going to execute. We got 2 minutes here. I feel like this thing's going to start to push right now. Yeah, I wanted to take it, but we're so close to this news. So it's slightly aggy, I'll say, slightly aggy.
Aggie, would you like to translate that for the Californians? No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, annoying. Aggie, annoying. It's all the same thing.
Somebody's got young kids with that one.
So the Bears are protecting the higher of this 15-minute range right now. We got a lot of selling pressure right up here at this high. You can even see on the 5-minute chart all those wicks on top of those candles. Once I get my mouse over there, come on,
Mouser.
We're starting to push to the line, but it's 9:59. So be careful. Be careful. I needed to wait till after like 10:02 for this flag to actually break here, because I'm not trying to jump in right when the news comes out, because I'm not doing that.
We got 30 seconds till the news, man.
Bears, come on, Bears. Hold the price down. Hold the price down, people. Dre, good morning, sir. Good morning. The flag looks like it wants to pay, but we got news. And I'm going to be slightly frustrated if we push right at 10 o'clock here on this flag, because, well, alrighty. Well, we're above the line, but news just came out. We're above the 15-minute range as well now. Definitely not jumping in right this second since news just came out.
And we're crawling to that hole number 2.
so annoying. Put the flag down for the bull flag. We push up as soon as that news came out.
Well, we're also like breaking out of the 15-minute range. There's a lot going on here.
Yep.
Yeah, my wrinkles are not showing as well on Ninja Trader.
Well, it must be an update that they dropped or something for you guys, because it shouldn't just be disappearing. It shouldn't just be disappearing on you guys.
Yeah,
can we re-download that? Can we re-download the wrinkle?
Yeah, so in the community, I'll actually put in the actual where in the vault as well. I published a set of Renko bars for you guys.
All right.
And that should be on like the main trading side. So just scroll down for that. But in a few minutes,
All right.
I'll try to find it myself and I'll put it back in the vault. All right, so we're above the 15-minute range. At this point now, since I wasn't able to catch this small move right there. Let's see if we build out another flag. All we can do. After today, only 5 more days for myself to trade. So I'm trying to execute as clean as possible.
Hey, what about us, man? We're all trading with you, you sucker.
Well, you guys may trade an extra day or a less day, so I can only talk about myself. You know what I'm saying?
Have you known us to miss a day?
No, but I can't just assume.
What?
I can't just assume, sir.
What, you're going to be streaming from Beantown, right?
Planning on streaming on Tuesday from Boston. I probably wouldn't stream again till Friday for the actual trading sessions. But I'm gonna probably do a couple streams while out there. I'm just not sure exactly how I'm gonna get everything worked out yet.
Okay, so next week we're on our own.
No, not on your own, because honestly, you don't really want to trade Christmas Eve.
Oh, listen, Krampus.
Krampus. All right. Are the bulls going to catch this price right here? They try pushing it back up slightly. We're still above the 15-minute range. Are the bears going to step in and take us down to where we were originally building out the flag at? Back into the 15 now.
Now this would be a total box trade to go short and then put your stop loss on and just ride it to the middle.
Tons of selling pressure. Tons of selling pressure. But I'm not buying it yet. I'm not buying the selling pressure.
You're not buying the selling pressure?
I'm not buying. I see it, but I feel like they want to go up. Crazy. I've been having like a lot of patience this week. A lot of patience, because this is the second time this week it's after 10 and I haven't taken a trade yet.
Okay, so on
I
Monday,
ain't gonna lie, it's a lot of selling pressure. I feel like it's gonna end up going back down.
Well, that's the purveyor of the box trade. So Christmas is Thursday, and so Wednesday is Christmas Eve. So Monday and Tuesday is game on, and then Friday.
Yep, Monday, Tuesday for sure. We're gonna have trader hangouts Monday and most likely Tuesday night as well.
You better have a bigger bonfire than you have been having if you're gonna die.
There probably won't be any fire on Tuesday because I'll probably be streaming from the hotel.
Man, you know what I'll be doing if I like lived up north, man? I'd be like, with the cold, I'd be like burning stuff every day. I mean, I'd be like, I need to have land so I could be burning so much firewood. And then I walk out today, it's 70 degrees, man. It's like not even, it's like 7 o'clock, it's 70 degrees.
Real tight right now, real tight. We're tight right now, boys. Like, we gotta see what we get here. Do not rush this. Do not rush this.
I promised you I wouldn't. Remember, I wrote it down.
You did. Proud of you, sir. Did you do a little bit better yesterday, or?
Yeah, well, you kind of checked out, so you weren't watching me. So I was
Steve was being Steve. That's what he just said, people.
No, so I was green in my eval. So
Okay.
I only took one trade for a day, and I said I'm done.
Yeah.
But I said I said Steve, and I said yes, and I said look, Duane is gonna be there today, and so I'm gonna like watch, and I'm gonna be very chill.
Yep. Gotta have patience. Like right now, the market's not moving. There's no momentum. So we should not be taking a trade since we use momentum to trade. Until there's momentum, we can't trade. This is where people get chopped up, and where I've gotten chopped up in the past. And now going to 2026, I'm a reborn trader. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm focused. I'm dialed in. I'm not rushing the trades anymore. I'm waiting for the momentum. That's it. So we had a small bear flag print right here once again, but I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it because we don't have a lot of momentum.
Order submitted.
Oh, someone just got caught with their hands in the cookie jar. I heard that one.
I heard somebody. That was funny. It said order submitted, so somebody's like getting like the latency issues too. It's like, oh, is this the movie you wanted? Let's wait 4 seconds until it changes and then drop you in.
Yeah, I'm just waiting until we clear out from this chop area right now.
Well, just on that one, if you look at the 1 minute or 1 minute 21 EMA, it just about touched it.
Yeah, look how tight this is right here. That's just all consolidation. We don't trade consolidation, people. We wait for the move. I'm gonna keep preaching this because I'm not only preaching to you, I'm preaching to myself.
Hello.
Because I'm not trying to just jump in.
How are the people on the stream doing? Like, has anybody checked in?
Yeah, we got plenty of people in here. Jose, what's up, dude? Who else we got in here? Aslam, what's up, brother? Good morning. iPad 7, JB, good morning, sir.
iPad 7, he's got 6 more. He's just balling.
We're just waiting. We're waiting for the big old mo. We need that momentum. We got that nice big buying wick on the 5 minute there. Good to see. Let's look at a higher time frame here. Let's see what we're trying to build out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm still bullish, to be real. I see it's going up to the upside. But we'll see. Just waiting for the momentum. Hopefully it doesn't take all the way till 10:30 for the momentum to show up.
How long are you in today?
I'm saying to at least 11 for today.
Okay, 11. I just heard you say 10:30, so I was like,
no. I said I was hoping that it doesn't take all the way till 10:30 for us to start moving here. We had a small bear flag trying to print right here. But I'm not feeling bearish today. I'm not feeling it with these small little flags. I'm looking at the big flag. We just need some solid momentum. For all the new people jumping in here, we officially hit over 91,000 views on the channel for the past 28 days. I appreciate all you guys tuning in, liking, subscribing, and vibing with us. Like, it shows that what we're doing is actually helping people. And that's what I love. That's what I love. I just want to see everyone free. Trying to break the shackles off of people so people could live free. You know what I'm saying? Life is not about just surviving. It's about thriving, people.
Is the market going to wake up? I'm thinking I might take a nap.
We had the move up right at market open, and now we've just been consolidating for the next move here.
Going down to that EMA on the 1 minute again.
We did have the small little bear flag right here print, but I feel like we're building it one big bull flag. That's why I'm not just going short right now on these small little flags inside the larger flag. Could you try? Yes. Is it recommended? No. But can't stop you from clicking.
I'm sitting and waiting, anticipating.
Watching paint dry right now, people. Watching paint dry.
Just testing that 1 minute 21 EMA.
Yep, on the
flag kind of through it. Look at it right now, Duane.
Yeah,
I know.
Look at the 1 minute
not,
you said?
Yeah, I know it's not what you're looking for, but you look at the 21 EMA, it's like that flag is right in the middle of it right now.
Yeah. Bulls trying to step in. They are trying to step in. Who's going? We're just waiting to see who's going to win this battle.
It's like watching a snail tug of war.
That'd be interesting to actually see.
I don't want to see it. You tell me how it goes.
I'll keep you posted. I'll check it out over the weekend here.
It makes me think of French cooking. Ugh. Eating those things. Oh, I picked up my I picked up the prime rib, the standing rib roast.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna do like a pre-brine on it, and it's like and then you know how I do.
Yeah.
And it's gonna have the crust on the outside. That's like gonna be, and I'm gonna do it on the smoker. So
okay,
the whole
nice.
thing is I'm gonna keep that smoker like 150 degrees, and I'm gonna bring it up to like 200 and let it set in, and then just like sear it off at the end. It's gonna be out of control.
Sounds delicious already. Making me hungry. I have not eaten. Come this evening, it'll be a 48-hour fast. Unintended.
I'll stop talking about that. But you've seen the pictures how I cook. I'm not.
No, you don't gotta stop talking about it. Listen, looking at food, talking about does not make me like want to just eat. You know what I'm saying?
No,
at this point,
you've seen the pictures of the stuff I cook though.
That I have. What we gonna get here, boys and ladies? Because this thing is doing nothing. Look at all this consolidation. All consolidation. We do not trade this. When the market's moving like this, you do not trade. No reason to.
I'm just wondering if it's going to lose that 21 EMA and drop.
There we go. We're starting to come down on the 2 minute chart. On the 2 minute, that 21 EMA is below us.
Yeah, but that wick just like completely rebounded. They bought it right back.
514 is where the 21 EMA currently is on the 2 minute for me.
513 on mine, but yes.
Alrighty, yep. Bulls stepped in as the bears should try dropping us there. I'm still feeling bullish, not gonna lie.
Well, that was like instantaneous. If you look at that V on the Renkos, it was heavy down and then heavy up. It was just kind of like a complete retracement if our crime-fighting friend was here.
Not our crime-fighting friend. That's awesome.
Y'all jumping in on any trade?
Not yet.
This stuff is a chop.
Hey, Duane, we're not downloading. We're not okay. I have the new Ninja Trade and everything, but it says simulator. The
the simulation only.
Huh?
It says the simulation only on when I download.
Okay. You'll just when you jump in it, you just gotta get it configured for your trade evade.
Okay.
Oh
I mean,
man, this is literally paint drying. Selling pressure stepped in right there. This is just looking like one big old bull flag. The more and more we go, the more and more it's looking like a massive bull flag. And just to keep myself occupied here, I'm gonna try it.
Hey, Duane, the wrinkle file, where's it located again?
It was in, let me jump in here real quick. So under the trading 101, it should be in there. Let me double check. Still looking. Well, it's not on that one, so was it in the discussion?
Hey, Duane, will you call me on my main line and wake me up when this thing does?
It needs to do something. Definitely building a flag, I'll tell you that. And we're just being patient. We're not just rushing in just to rush. We're being smart about this, people.
We're loving it.
I'm not seeing. Maybe I should go past it.
Hey, so what time are you flying out?
I haven't decided yet.
So yeah, because you can kind of keep it loose, huh?
Yeah, whenever I travel, I always gotta keep it loose.
Well, I know you got all the business stuff. That's why I was asking. It's hard to be definitive on that.
Well, technically, I could have flown out this morning, but I'm like, you know what? We got these streams. We gotta do it. I'd rather do it here than up in Boston. So that's why I stayed behind.
Well, between us, man, I don't know what temperature is in Boston, but when it was 70
It's
degrees
cold
this morning, 70 degrees this morning at like 6 o'clock, I'd be here. I'd be like, oh, fucking chill for a minute.
Dave, I'm not seeing it right now, so I'm gonna have to pull it and publish it back in there as soon as we get out this trading session. I'm trying to still focus on the markets. Even though we're not really doing much, just waiting for the move.
I think you sent it to all of us, didn't you? Like, it was like, it wasn't
Was it
like
an email?
No, I actually posted it in the actual community.
Oh.
Look at those bottom wicks right now on this 2 minute. Straight craziness. How's everyone feeling in the chat? How's everyone doing on the streams here? Are you guys green? Are you red? Have you even traded?
I've traded. No, I'm just waiting. I just feel like it's been 3 days. Like I'm walking through a desert. What's going on?
All right, this price movement is horrible right now. I don't even care if we just start to waterfall down. Just give us some type of momentum here.
Oh wait, so you wouldn't care if you could make a lot of money? That's so nice of you. But
Right.
it's like I don't care.
It happens, dude. It happens. Don't trade the chop, sir. Do not trade the chop. All right, so we're tapping the 21 EMA right now. All right, just push right through the 21. Bull's trying to step in right there, right away. Straight craziness. We're slightly, I mean, not anymore. I was going to say we're slightly above the 21, but we fell right below it once again. Maybe the Bears are actually going to get this now, bring us down.
Get down.
All right. Tap of that 21 EMA once again.
Okay, so what was the longest like flag that you waited for? Like, you know, or is it sideways going? Like, and
Oh, that was earlier this week. It was 10:30 before the market started moving.
Well, no,
So we
I'm
had
saying,
the
like,
nice little move right at market open. Then we consolidated all the way till 10:30 earlier this week, and then we started waterfalling down. Dre's going, dude. We're just waiting. I'm flat for the day right now. No trades yet. Waiting, staying true to the strategy. You know what I'm saying? Staying true to the strategy. No momentum, no trades. Because your boy's not trying to get chopped up today. We're below that 21 EMA. Market's super tight.
I just sent you like what those things are called, Duane, so you can maybe could search them in the community.
Search it. The Ninja Renko.
Well, no, because that's what he's looking for, right?
Yeah.
So I didn't know if that would help you find it in the group. I was just trying to help.
Oh, I appreciate that. I was scrolling too fast probably, but it's also because I'm trying to focus right now. Trying to make some money. You know what I'm saying? Trying to make some money. We had this small bear flag right there. I mean, super small bear flag.
Teeny bear flag.
I'm just not like on my trading view, the flag looks better than on the Ninja Trader, but still not feeling it. Yeah, right now, bulls aren't stepping in, so we're going to look like we got a pivot point above us. So we may start coming down to it. 453, 453.75 is the pivot point below us here. We got the middle of that 15-minute range there as well.
Order filled.
All righty, someone's jumping in the markets.
Order filled.
Oh,
Damn.
wild man. Someone's a wild man on the streaming day.
Order filled.
Gee,
Order
Damn.
filled.
bro. Hopefully you're making money because that's a whole lot of order fills.
Like, save some for the rest of us, man. It's like the buffet where they're eating it all up.
All right, so my plan now, since that bull flag did not pan out, we're coming down to the middle of this 15-minute range. With that being said, we do not diddle in the middle. I'm only taking an A++ setup today because it's Friday. I want to go into the weekend green, and on top of that, I'm working on getting 3 payouts from Tradeify for January 2nd. Yes, I'm waiting until January 2nd for the payouts because tax purposes, people. With that being said, I'm not risking it for the biscuit. I gotta see the A++. Alrighty, well. Yeah, look at those wicks on these higher time frames. Yeah, no, I'm waiting. Like, this may just be one massive bull flag, people.
On that 5-minute, that wick is insane. People got crossed out of that if they tried to take it short.
That they did. Let's see if the bulls actually start pushing here. Let's get through this 21 EMA. I want to see us use this 21 EMA as support. Good morning, David. We're hanging out, man. We're waiting. We're waiting for the moves. We're waiting for the moves. Market's not really moving right now, so we're waiting for the momentum. All we can do. So we came up to that 21 EMA. We tapped it. Want to get above it at this point. Like, this type of price movement for me, there's nothing that I could do right now. All right, so rejecting off of that 21 EMA. Trying to reject here.
Yeah, but like, look at that previous wick on the 5, man. That's insane. Shooting star, like heading to the moon.
All right, so this was a small little bear flag, but I'm not liking the wicks. Just being real. I do not like these bottom wicks. For a short, I do not want to short into a bottom wick. Like, yeah, I'm gonna make that a rule for myself. No shorting or buying if there's a wick on the side you're trying to go to.
I mean, I would come up with like a great way to say that, because that's something that we all need to hear. Because when you said that, I was like, my God, that, without thinking about it, how many times have I done that?
Yeah. Still just chopping. It's 10:31. Your boy still has not taken a trade yet. I officially broke my record. I'm 1 minute over my record now.
Damn, it's
wait.
like
Look at that bottom wick once again. I'm not short into wicks. What? Do not short right now, people. We're building one massive bull flag.
Yeah, that looks. There's a lot more buying pressure.
I'm just not trading the chop.
That was me, by the way, on the sim. So
It was like 7 order fills all at once. I'm like, golly.
I know somebody was like busting it out, dude. I was like, whoa.
Nah, it was a sim. It was a sim. Simulator. I ain't gonna lie, the way his facial expression, he said, God.
Well, you should have seen mine too. I was like, man, because it was like it kept like hitting, boom, boom, boom.
So right now, I'm getting tempted, boys. I'm getting tempted. I'm not gonna FOMO. I'm waiting for the yellow line break. I'm waiting. I'm waiting, anticipating, as Steve would say.
Waiting. Yeah, well, I'm not. You know, it's like I don't know. Like that's like the longest yellow line for a flag that I think I've ever seen. So you're saying
like
earlier this week was like the longest one where it just went sideways and then it paid, because it's like after a point, it's like, dear Lord.
Yep. So it had the first initial move at market open, the first like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Then
I see
it
that.
consolidated all the way till 10:30, and then right at like 10:30, 10:31, the flag paid.
Yeah.
I see a bull flag on the 15-minute time frame and 30.
Yep, that is a bull flag. That is a bull flag. On the 5-minute, bull flag. 2 minute, the one we've been watching all this time, bull flag. Nice, dude. That's awesome. I'm going to Boston next week. Going to be in the cold. Gotta love it.
You're gonna get the car and go far and go to the bar.
I mess with my girl because she'll say something and her accent will come out. I'll be like, what was that? Just to mess with her. She just starts laughing.
Yeah, I have a friend in high school, and he was originally from England, and like his accent was normal, but then when you'd be talking to somebody else from England, he'd totally drop into that, and it'd be hilarious.
Yeah.
So it's like, I imagine it's the same thing, like just small talk there, and you're like, whoa.
Are we getting ready to start to break this yellow line? Looks like we're going to break it on the 5 minute.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna just get.
Well, it could break it, but we want to see momentum, Duane.
100%. 100%.
You're definitely slow. That's what a couple of ones here that are like set up already. All you're gonna have to do is put the figure down first.
Can't believe it's 10:34 and this thing still
is
doing what it's doing, I'll say.
Hey,
We
look
need
at
to
the
move.
30 minute, Duane.
if you don't actually if you want to.
Every time it gets brought right.
Choose your timeline. The 30, the 60, they all show it. It's crazy.
Well, that's a good sign, right? That's a good sign. So we spotted on a lower time frame. All right, we're pushing through on the 5 minute. Getting ready to execute as long as the momentum stays green here.
I'm trying to see where your thing is. Okay.
We came up to that line on the 2 minute. We did not break through. That's it. We have not made any trades yet. We've been building out this flag. And we've just been patiently waiting. So from 9:45 till now, we've been building this big old flag, this big old bull flag.
I feel like I'm taking like a meditation class.
Hey,
Relax, Daniel.
listen, the patience pays, people. The patience pays.
And that Duane the doctor. Now the patient's pays. That'll be $30 for a checkup jab.
Luckily, the people can join the community for free. All right, we're breaking through that yellow line. I want to get right above it so I can enter. We're waiting for the momentum, Dave. Waiting for the momentum. So on the Renko bars, we want to see momentum to the upside here. So we flags down here on the bottom charts, and we just want the full momentum to take the chart, to take the trade.
Take the chart.
We're like right there too. It's like we're just playing right there below that yellow line on the 2 minute. We're currently above the line on the 5 minute. Straight craziness. For all the new people jumping on the streams, welcome. Welcome to the stream, people. Hopefully you guys are staying safe in the markets. We're patiently waiting for the momentum to take us higher. And until it does, we're just waiting. No trades. I'm still flat for the day. I broke my record. I've officially waited almost 40 minutes to trade. That never happens. You can ask all the regulars. I'm normally in and out the markets quick. The quickie
40
quick.
minutes, my butt. It's almost an hour you're going on. This is crazy.
Well, I was going from the 9:45. You know what I'm saying? Since I don't trade the first 15, that's why I was saying what I was saying. You know what I'm saying?
Well, yeah, but it's 10:38, so you'd be going with a 9:45. It's over 50 minutes.
That's true. You are correct.
Don't make me do my math here. Don't make me do my math.
Steve likes doing math, people. He does like doing math. Go ahead, Brett. Go ahead, boy.
Well,
the pad, I never look at it. I do not reference it whatsoever.
My oldest daughter's an aeronautical engineer. She's going through her training for that.
That's crazy. That's awesome.
I know. And then my oldest son is going to be a CPA, so math might be in my blood, but geesh. I just want to have trading in my blood. Let's go.
For real.
But I guess this is what separates the men and the women from the boys and the girls, because people at this point, people are just going to FOMO, just jump in.
Oh, listen, I've been fighting the FOMO all day. Not going to front. But I'm no longer willing to risk. I'm no longer willing to risk it just to be in a trade. If my setup's not there, the setup's not there. You know what I'm saying? Like, and that's it. Yeah, we're waiting for the bull flag. We're waiting for the bull flag to have momentum here to take us higher. Yeah, as soon as it does, Dave, I'm jumping all in, brother. We're gonna get that money. My yellow line acting as resistance right now.
It's amazing.
What price are you waiting on it to go to? Honestly, there's no set price I'm waiting for it to go to. As soon as I see green, depending upon how much it is, I'll just close out. Because we currently have a target all the way up at 668, 668.75. That's one target. And then we have another target above that for the pivot point above at 689. Looks like we may be building this bull flag above the 21 EMA, a smaller bull flag inside the large bull flag.
So next week could have a potential of just being like painfully slow.
Hopefully not, but possibly.
I'm just seeing it because it's like Christmas and people are going to Boston and stuff.
I would probably say Monday and Tuesday, that'll probably be like the best for the week for the market moves.
Yeah, because the day after Christmas.
And Christmas Eve, there'll be moves, but nothing crazy, I feel. And then after Christmas, it's the people that need that dopamine fix will jump on after Christmas. So that's why we'll be there.
Those are the people that are going to be like, hey, man, I spent all my money on Christmas presents. I need to get some back. Can't get to the craps table, so I'll just have to do this instead.
The gamblers.
When I talk to people about this, sometimes they think that it's like akin to gambling. Sometimes it's like, no,
this is a skill. You can gamble. If you're just clicking buttons, you're gambling.
Oh yeah, but you can gamble on anything. You know what I mean? You could be watching sports and gambling, but that doesn't inherently make it gambling. If you're gonna lose like I lose, no, I'm just kidding.
Yo, this is crazy. Crazy. I need to make some money today. I gotta pay my light bill, boys. If I don't trade today, my lights are getting cut off. Because I'm flipping the switch, not because of the power company.
Oh, you're not the only one.
It was a joke. My lights are not getting cut off, people. It's a joke. I'm trying to make light of today's situation of how the market's moving.
I meant on taking the trade.
Oh.
I meant on taking the trade. I still ain't taking no trade yet. So I don't know. I mean, I probably might take a trade on my top step. Maybe, I don't know.
I'm just protecting my fundage. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not willing to trade the chop to get chopped up. Millionaire, we're all ready to roll, brother. We're all ready.
Yo, I see the Ninja. Ooh, the Ninja trader looks kind of like different.
Ninja, I believe, did have an update. I may be mistaken. I never shut my Ninja off.
It did. I updated it, and then I'm looking at the. It looks more a little, you see it a lot better. And it says 2025 Ninja Trader LLC on the thing.
Okay. I was saying no trades tomorrow. Markets close. We do not trade the weekends. So you gotta just relax tomorrow. Make sure you watch the strategy video. And you understand the strategy to a T. So come Monday, you're ready to execute, sir. Because right now, being real with you, since you're new in here, I'm gonna be, like, this is just for me personally, just showing my growth in trading. Because before I would feel like I need a trade because I'm streaming with you guys. Where now, I'm not taking a trade unless the setup's there. Because I've got burned so many times just trading to trade, where I'm no longer just trading a trade. This is literally, we're trying to make money here, right? So if you're trying to make money, you know what I'm saying? You gotta wait for the money to show up. You can't just click a button and hope it works out for you. Wait for your setups and then execute. Brett, I am streaming this weekend for the Traders Hangouts. Tonight, tomorrow night, Sunday night, Monday we'll be trading in the morning and Traders Hangout. Bear's trying to step in here once again, and that's okay. Not mad at it because I need some type of movement somewhere.
All right, so you're not gonna? Are you gonna be streaming from the hotel, or are you gonna be like out on town? Like, here's the Liberty Bell in Philadelphia. We drove over.
We're gonna be doing a little bit of all of it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be streaming in the morning for the trading session, and then we will also be doing like around town stream possibly. We're gonna see how everything flows.
Oh, Okay.
and just
here's
go
the
from
deal,
there.
Man. You gotta get you bring footage. Like every time you're at a place, you get footage, even if you're not cutting it right then. Get this stuff, bring it back, cut it together.
All for it. All for it. With how it's moving right now, I may honestly have to wait till 11:15 to get off the charts because I want waiting for a move here. Because I already know as soon as I end the stream, the market's going to do what the market was trying, what I wanted the market to do.
Don't care about
Because like we're in that spot where it's like, do you short into the middle of the 15-minute range, or do you just wait for a flag? You know what I'm saying? Like,
I just got in just now. I mean, so
all right, so we're clearing some wicks. We're getting ready to clear that 5-minute wick as well.
usually explain it a little something after that. It's like,
10:47. The market should start moving closer to 11 here in some type of direction, because we've literally from market open here, after once the 15-minute range was set, we've been going sideways.
I got a confession to make.
Uh-oh.
I thought I was on my sim and I was on my eval, and I did take a short, so I'm green in my eval.
Hey,
I'm up for
glad it worked out. Glad it worked out.
And I heard somebody else was up, and yes. I just want to say, everybody on the stream, man, I appreciate you all very much, man, because we're like a team and we're busting it out.
That we are. That we are. All for one, one for all. Trump, just see everyone win. That's what this is about. So me having restraint today, hopefully you guys can see that it's okay. Wait, it's okay to wait for the setup, because at the end of the day, if you don't trade on a day because there's no moves, that's a positive thing for yourself. That's showing that you have discipline, and discipline's the hardest thing when it comes to trading. It's easy to click the button. It's hard to wait for your move.
Hey, so 453 I'm seeing there. Do you think we're going to try to get down there, or you think it's going to hit that line of resistance? Because last time, like 478, it basically choked right here.
Well, we got that pivot point at 454 on mine. Yeah, 454 for the pivot. I would honestly just want to see how we react off the middle of the 15-minute range. Since we have literally been range bound so far for the day, going sideways, like, let's see how we react off that middle of the 15-minute range, just so that way, if there is a push back up, we could potentially get ready for it. If we continue selling down to the pivot, once we get below the pivot, we got the VWAP. So I may target the VWAP for a short, but we're going to see. We're going to see. BP, you take a trade yet today?
BP. iPad 7.
No, he's not iPad 7. Yeah, this is craziness. But right now, I did put a line on the 5-minute. Let me move this line over as well. Let's see if maybe we get a potential bear flag. I have not been overly. We're building out one massive bull flag. You know what I'm saying? So for me, I'm like, yes, there are the smaller flags inside this big one, but the big flag is what's going to pay the most.
You're gonna be like sitting in first class, and you're gonna open up your phone or your tablet. You're gonna see this. And you're gonna execute a trade on the runway when it's finally paid. I told you 8 hours ago when it was about to start.
From your lips to God's ears. From your lips to God's ears. We got selling pressure right there. Look at that nice big old wick. Yes, you can also trade on your phone.
I wouldn't recommend that.
Yep, you can do it, but it's always a little bit easier when you're trading on an actual computer because you got more real estate to see the markets.
Duane.
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me show you something quick.
Let me pull it up. Hold on, so I can see you. Because I can't see you guys. I hide you guys, so I'm not looking at y'all. Because I'll get distracted. I'm looking at your screen, G. I'm looking at you.
Hey, is this supposed to say this when I start it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, that's right.
Okay. Hold on 1 second.
What's it say? I can't really see it.
Hold on. It says document folders. Oh, it always says that.
I'm looking at the Nasdaq. I trade futures. So everyone on the stream normally is either trading futures, crypto, gold, all that fun, or the Forex. But mainly we're trading futures on this stream. Like everyone in the chat as well.
I'm seeing a bear flag on everything right now. 5 minute. Well, the 1 minute now.
And there's that push up. Bull's trying to push here. We're getting closer and closer to 11 o'clock here. So we already know 11 o'clock, that whole time frame. Market gets kind of sporadic. I'm hoping we get some type of move. If not, I'm gonna have to tell my girl she can't go out to eat tonight. Daddy didn't make any money today in the markets.
So yeah, I heard that in Boston they have one of these things called McDonald's. You want to go there? We'll get some nice heritage food. That Taco Bell. How's that sound?
Looking like a bear flag right now. Slightly tempted to take it, but I'm also like, at this point.
If you look at the 15, it's insane.
Because there's the bear flag. Let me look at the 15.
The 15.
Yeah, that 15 is looking kind of wild. Just waiting. Lots of selling pressure once again. But just a reminder, guys, you'll be shorting. If you take a short, you're shorting into the middle of the 15-minute range. And we don't diddle in the middle, people. We do not diddle in the middle.
The only thing is you do have that pivot point right there. So
that we do.
If I did have the momentum there and I could just make a clean like short, I would probably take it just because of that pivot. Like it was really ramping up, but I haven't seen that momentum since 1962 at this point.
Yeah, there's not a lot of momentum today. It's no news Friday. Well, we did have news actually, but no real news coming out, so the market's not really moving crazy or anything like that. So we're being patient. We're being patient, folks. As patient as I possibly can be. Because if the trade doesn't happen, the trade doesn't happen, and we live to fight another day.
We're still living.
Yeah, that we are. Yeah, again, nice bear flag right now on the 2 minute.
And the 1 minute, even with the extra like noise.
I kind of want to take a short on this bear flag, but there's no momentum. That's
well, it's like as you're saying that, it's almost like it has like a ground effect, like it doesn't want to go down.
It doesn't want to go down, doesn't want to go up. No momentum, no trade. That's the rule, people.
You got to have like no latency and just do it like a micro scalp, like a lot of contracts. So the only way you could play it to pay it. But that's not what we're looking for.
No. Have a good one, Brad, if you're getting off. Yeah. I'm craziness. Straight craziness.
Yeah, but we're getting up at 11 o'clock. Maybe that'll be just the thing to knock it out of balance a little bit, and we could get in and just execute, clean up, laugh, and go our separate ways.
Yeah. We're going to see. We're going to wait and see here.
How come you're not wearing your blue glasses?
Honestly, I got to see where I put those bad boys.
Duane.
Yes, sir.
Do I got to manually add the other like the 2 minute and the 5 minute charts as well too?
Yes, if you didn't like update or upload the workspace. Which I'm gonna put all those things in the vault so you guys can always reference those if this happens again or to someone else. You guys can reference and you'll have the workspace already in there so you can just upload it.
So it's on the thing on the mic.
Not I gotta post everything in there again because I
Okay.
couldn't find the Renko bars that I posted. But I'm gonna put everything in the vault.
I still have that.
Okay. Well, the workspace I would have sent you a private message or emailed you.
Yeah, I think you did. You know what? Let me check my email.
But you're not missing out, G. The market's not doing nothing. Kind of probably a good thing that your stuff isn't working, so it keeps you out the chop.
Right.
Just saying, like, hey, blessing in disguise. Blessing in disguise. Like, looking at this 5 minute, we got this bear flag, but we don't have momentum. Straight craziness. All right, here comes 11 o'clock. There we go. There's 11 o'clock right there.
Oh, look at that, Duane. Whoa.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm looking. I'm like, what's going on? My charts aren't moving. Got me excited, Steve.
I know. Sorry, that was a bad joke.
Unacceptable. All right, there we go. Middle of the 15-minute range. Just got tapped. Maybe we're going to start coming down. We got a pivot point now below us here. Pivot points 454 people for the pivot below us. We're currently sitting right on top of the middle of the 15-minute range. This is craziness. Straight craziness. It's looking like today's going to be a no trade Friday, which I'm not upset about because honestly, Fridays has normally been like my worst day trading. I don't know what it is. Some Fridays I'll make money, other Fridays I'll lose money, where Friday is just like normal, a so-so day for me in the markets. And today, as you can see, no momentum. Bulls trying to step in here, but no real big moves after this morning's first break before the 15-minute range was set.
He is executing some trades, man. You heard him.
More power to him.
It just sounded like he's like I started breaking out, like yeah.
Oh,
You.
oh no! I was just asking what's his email.
Oh, the email came from. Check your email from build@legacywealthsociety.com, or it would have been Orlando Protection. So search those two.
I need to have some protection, please. So what do I need to get on that?
That's the old email of mine from one of my companies. That
You say build what?
build@legacywealthsociety.com.
Okay, no, it's not that one.
Then try the Orlando Protection. Just type that in, it should pop up. I'm not going to complete the email, so I'm not getting emails from random people from the YouTube.
Nah, I don't think I got it. I don't think I got the email.
Nah, you remember Gary? I had helped you set it up.
Oh yeah, you did.
It should be on Telegram.
Telegram.
Yeah.
All right, Bulls trying to step in here once again. Are we going to break this big old bull flag that's been...
I feel like this is like an endurance test. Like
It's something. I need to turn my fan up here because I'm getting hot just watching this market do nothing.
he's sweating, but it's not because he's in a trade. It's just because he's not in a trade.
We're trading the Nasdaq, sir. Senior, we're trading the Nasdaq. Hopefully you're staying safe in the markets, brother. If it's continuing to just not move at all, come 11:15ish, I'm probably just going to jump off here. I got to run over to Lake Mary today.
Go see Moose.
Not to see Moose. I got to go to one of my contracts, checking on one of my managers. So have that, do that fun stuff today.
I'm gonna I'll pull out my Sam Brown belt and go with you.
And
Do they
just so
even
you guys
do
know,
this
this weekend, your boy is recording mad content that we're going to be getting pushed out. So I'm excited about that. Family's away. They went up north this morning. So I'm just going to be banging out videos since the house is going to be quiet. And it's going to be good.
Hey, when are you heading north?
Tuesday.
Do you know yet? Oh, Tuesday.
Yeah, I'm heading up north Tuesday.
Oh man, and there's no excuse if you have that much time. I want to have like wall-to-wall content.
Well, my plan is I'm going to try recording at least 4 to 5 videos for YouTube, and then another like 3 to 4 for the Legacy. So all the videos will be getting pushed out in Legacy right away. Then the YouTube, I'm going to slow roll them out for January. Just so that way we're dropping videos each and every week. Other than vlog videos. Oh, no news is going to be coming out. We have no news today.
And like as always, if you have any questions about anything tech or ideas, you can run it by me.
No, I got you. Sir.
I just want to offer anything I could do to help.
No, I appreciate that, Steve.
Because I do have notes and stuff. I haven't reached out to talk to you about, but there's just some things to get you thinking.
Okay.
Well, yeah,
listen, we're going to be pushing out tons of content for 2026. and all the advice and ideas I will definitely take, because 2026 is going to be the largest year yet for the Legacy Wealth Society and for the YouTube stream. We already crossed over 91,000 views for the past 28 days. And look at these bulls starting to push here. Looking very promising.
You gotta extend your doodle, man.
I'm getting ready to do that right now, sir. Once I get my mouse to work. Just straight craziness. Just straight craziness right there.
I like how it went right up to that, and then it touched your doodle, and it's like, stop.
I'll last for the light out.
Faith, I just trade bull flags, bear flags with momentum. So if there's a flag and it's going against the trend for the day, I'll still take it. As long as there's momentum. That's all we're doing. I trade bull flags, bear flags with momentum. No momentum, no trade.
And it came right up to your yellow line, and then it stopped.
No, I feel like this is going to be the push, potentially.
I think Duane is going to speak for everybody where he wants to see a flag.
I do want to see a flag. But I want to see the breakout, right? I want to see the breakout here above this yellow line now. If I'm going to take a trade. You know what I'm saying? That's the whole thing. Like, at this point, do I really want to take a trade? Because the market's moving slow. I don't like slow markets.
Truer words were never spoken, Batman. I feel like I'm in a fever dream right now. Come on.
We're breaking through that, well, trying to on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, looking that 15. Look at that bull flag on the 15.
That is impressive to see it on the, like.
Faith over hate. Are you in the community currently or no? Because in the community, I have my full strategy breaking down bear flags, bull flags, momentum, breaking down the whole thing completely for free. Everyone that gets in the community in the month of December is completely free for life. So, just saying, if you're not in, definitely get in. Are we going to build a small bull flag right here? Want this big bull flag to pay us, but man, at this point, I'm not trying to chase. Yeah, today's looking like it's going to be a no trade Friday. First time ever for 2025. I did not take a trade for a session that I'm in on. You know what I'm saying?
It's going to skyrocket out of town.
Oh, uh-oh. Are we going to get some momentum? I may have to call Uncle D real quick. We're above that line. Above both lines, actually. And the only reason why I'm not in right now, right? You buying the dip? I'm just buying flags. I buy the flags, and that's all I do. I buy flags and sell flags. That's what I do each and every day here on this stream. tonight we do have the traders hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're gonna vibe up. We're gonna have some fun. So if you guys are free tonight, come hang out with us. It's always a good old time. It's always a good old time. We answer a lot of your questions, and that's where I have more time to focus on you guys. Because right now I'm focused on you guys, but I'm also focused on the charts because we're trying to make $1 or 1,000. So that's all I'm saying. Let's see. My target right now to the upside, I want to get to 556.25. I want to clear that wick because
bearish flag.
Oh boy, I know that voice. What's up, Sam? Good morning or
good morning, my brother.
I'm looking for the bull flag. You saying bear flag?
Man?
It's a bull flag, dude. Ain't no bear flag. Do not listen to Sam, people.
Yo, I held since yesterday last night stream.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I never closed, bro. I took that break even off. I went to sleep.
Good or bad? That's the question. I forget where you got in at.
25 to.
All right, there we go. We cleared that previous wick that we were selling off at. We're now. Let's see. Should I take a trade? That's the question.
A++, you said.
Yeah, I did say A++. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm all the way down there.
Look at that 15-minute time frame. It looked like a bull flag right there.
That is a bull flag, sir. We got the big pull up. We got the push down. For the flag to take us higher.
25,500, 25,550. That's a nice demand level for a buy entry. To retest probably 600, 620, because that'll be the next resistance zone.
Hey, from your lips to God's ears, we're finally starting to get above my yellow line here. Finally, it's only taken all session.
The sellers might come in.
That's why I'm not jumping in yet. I need the clean momentum. It's 11:13. You know what I'm saying? Like at this point, I'm normally not trying to trade. And this slight pullback right here is not giving me the warm and fuzzies. Just being real. Not giving me the warm and fuzzies. Oh, and it completely engulfed that previous candle as well. So. Reason why I was not in a trade yet, we did get above that yellow line, was we've had selling pressure in this area for the entire session this morning. So knowing that we've had selling pressure up here, starting around, I would probably say, what's this, 554 and above to about the high of the 15-minute range, 565, we've had a lot of selling pressure. So for me, I want to get above the selling pressure so the bulls could just pump it. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. I'm learning, I'm growing. 2026, I'm gonna be the most disciplined I've ever been. Because I take the month of December to reflect on how I did. Okay. Be careful in the markets. That's all I say. Be careful in the markets, people. But I take December to reflect on my performance across the board. Relationship, family, business, trading. Because I always want to become better each and every year, right? So for me, I'm ending this year probably with the best discipline I've had all year. So I just got to keep it moving in 2026. I got to keep stacking on top of each other. You know what I'm saying? The strong discipline.
That's it.
Yep, it's looking like a no trade Friday for me. And we're just going to keep it moving. Tonight, Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. We're going to be vibing. We're going to be laughing. We're going to be answering your questions. So make sure you guys tune in to have some fun with us tonight. This market is literally not going anywhere. We're still in the 15-minute range.
Hey, Duane, you mind whenever you can you send us your workspace?
Yeah.
Or no?
Yeah,
Thank
and then remember, like in summer, you said you were going to give every one of us an autographed picture to finish up the year.
Yeah, I'm sending everybody a signed autograph of me in the jacket. If you don't know about the jacket, you know what I'm saying? You're not in the community. Recommend you joining.
That jacket, man, that's fire. I hope you're running back over there and buying it before somebody else does.
Listen, no one's buying that jacket. Listen, it was pushed all the way in the back behind other jackets. The shine caught my eye. You know what I'm saying? Like, what is that? What just reflected off the light? I'm like, oh, I gotta try this bad boy on. My girl's like, don't do that. I'm like, no, it's getting put on real quick.
Where do you go? Like down to like the iDrive area? I mean, that's a hard sell to find that thing.
Oh, that was actually at Burlington. Because they took the name at Burlington Coat Factory. You could always go there and get good coats. You know what I'm saying? But now it's just Burlington. Craziness.
Yeah, there's that one over in Altamont Springs, I know.
Okay. Yep, there's that one, Coe. There's one over here by me as well. You like how I didn't say where I'm located? You know, we're live. You know what I'm saying? I can't just put my exactly where I'm out.
Oh, no,
AKA, what's up, dude? Welcome. Welcome to the slow party today.
Driveway.
Yep, today is going to be a no trade Friday for me, boys and ladies. Like, market's not moving. We're still in the 15-minute range from this morning. Like, when it's range bound like this, don't trade the chop. Yep, didn't take a trade today. There was no momentum with the flags. So that's the rule, dude. If there's no momentum and you're trading bear flags, bull flags with momentum, keyword, with momentum. If there's no momentum, there is no trade. Trust me, I want to make some money today because my girl's going to ask me later. My family flew up north today. She's going to ask, oh, babe, how did you do today? My baby, listen, I'm sorry. Daddy didn't make no money today trading.
Oh, no, but you know what? You didn't lose no money chasing something.
That is very true, Steve.
Because
so we technically did win today.
No,
we did not lose money.
if the quality of your trading is going up, then your per trade is going to go up, which doesn't matter. You know, don't think like an hourly employee. You know what I mean? It's just like if you're knocking it out of the park more consistently because you're hitting the setups, you're good.
No, 100%. 100%. What you look for to take a trade? Well, very simple. Senior Figo, I got you. I'm gonna break it down since the market's not doing anything. Might as well.
I'm gonna break it down.
So we're looking for bull flags and bear flags. Let me start drawing some flags down here while the market's just doing what the market does. Let me get some more flags here. Well, not flags, lines.
Yeah, I think we're done, huh? Man,
yeah, I'm done. I ain't taking no trades. Even if the market wants to skyrocket right now, I'm not taking no more trades or trying to take a trade. So for the flags, I'm pretty sure everyone in the chat and on the Zoom call knows what a flag looks like, correct? Hopefully you do. We see them all the time in life, believe it or not. So this right here, this is a flag. This is a bull flag. Let me check the streams just to make sure you guys can see it. Because last night I was breaking down the flags and it wasn't even on the chart. So very foolish of myself last night. So right here, this is a bull flag. So for me personally, you're going to have a green pole. You want a strong green candle on the regular candlestick, pushing up. Then for the flag portion, we're going to be coming in a downward direction, not further down than the pole. You want it like halfway. You want it to stop at least halfway or above for the flag, for it to be a clean flag. So as it builds structure of the flag, we're waiting to break through the top yellow line. When we break through the top yellow line, we want to see the momentum up here on top on the Renko bar. That's how we're executing the trades. We spot the bull flag. We want to see momentum on the Renko bars pushing in one direction, not chopping up and down, because up and down is not momentum. That's consolidation. So we want it just going straight up on the Renko bars with way less red bars being printed than green bars. So that's a bull flag. And now let me break down what a bear flag is.
Is it a flag that got a bear in it?
What was that?
Is it a flag that got a bear in it?
Huh? It's breaking up slightly. Or I'm just not hearing you clearly. What do you say, Sam? Okay, yeah. That's what I thought you said. Awesome. So a bear flag, simple. It's an upside down flag. So you'll get a strong red candle. Then it will push slightly up before the market comes down. So this would be a short opportunity on a bear flag. So a bear flag, you're looking for a selling opportunity. A bull flag, you're looking for a buying opportunity. So strong red candle down, we'll have a slight push up, not past 50% of the pole of the candle, the pole of the flag. Yeah, as soon as we see red candles on the Renko bars with momentum, the key word, with momentum, we would then take a short. So we would break through this yellow line right here and take the short there as long as there's momentum. Follow through. We need speed. I need speed. So like today, we haven't really had speed. We've been consolidating and chopping. That's not good action to trade. Can you trade it? 100%. But you're risking it more than winning, because when it's slow like this and there's no real momentum, you could potentially get chopped up. Still on Ninja Trader? Yep, this is Ninja Trader right here. And that's a bull flag and that's a bear flag. Faith. Yes, it'll be a sell, but you want the bear flag. So you want to see this type structure, the pole coming down, then the flag portion, and then after the flag portion is completed, you want the momentum on the Renko bars to be going in a downward direction to take a short. Do not just trade. Do not just go short because there's a red candle. Do not do that, please. Let me save you from messing up how I did when I first was trying to learn how to trade. Because I was clicking on every single move. Oh, it's a green candle buy, red candle sell. What generates the speed for the momentum? Just the price action. So like today, we haven't had quick price action. It's Friday. We had news at 10 o'clock and that really didn't do much to the market. So when there's no momentum and the price action is very, very slow, there's no trades to be had. Could you trade it? 100%. I've been chopped up and burned so many times trying to trade slow days with no momentum, where I'm maturing people. I'm a maturing trader. I refuse to continue to get chopped up or burned from the markets. So that's why right now, you see how tight this price action is. There's no move to be had right now.
I love it, man. I love it.
Sam loves this type action. This is what he thrives off of because he just sets a stop and take profits. Like if we get there, we get there. For me, I'm a sniper.
Bro, I don't know, the whole year, December is one of the years I look forward to the most.
Okay. Yep. Earlier this week, we had some good moves. Right now, it's just slow. It's just slow. At 11:30, I'm actually going to be jumping off here because your boy's not taking a trade. But we go into the weekend flat. No red day. No red trades either. So gives me something to look forward to. Who's watching the fight tonight for Jake Paul? Who's watching that fight? And who do you got? Who do you got if you're watching the fight tonight? Okay, so no one's watching the fight. I'll be watching it by myself tonight. Oh man, this market. I forget the dude's name. He's actually a real boxer this time, which is quite surprising. Let me actually pull it up here.
You're not talking about that Jake Paul BS.
Oh yeah, I'm talking about the Jake Paul fight.
I mean,
Anthony Joshua.
And pays them. Like, if anybody believes that Tyson really got his butt kicked by him, man, that's just like they got robbed.
Joshua's gonna whoop his butt.
Yeah, I'm excited to see it.
If he doesn't, then they're just trying to make some money, like they did with the Mike Tyson fight.
That Tyson thing, he had him lined up like so many times, he just backed off. It's like, come on.
Exactly.
I mean, it's like Mike fucking Tyson, all he has to do is hit him once, dude.
He wanted some retired money.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Oh, he got paid. Like, hey, would I for 100 milli? Would I take a fall for 100 milli, fellas? Let's be real.
Yeah, me too.
For 100 milli.
me too.
50 milli. Like, go ahead. Hit me two times, I'll fall. You know what I'm saying? Like, we could keep it interesting. You know what I'm saying? For 50 mil?
Knock me out.
Listen, I'm full transparent here. You know what I'm saying? For 50 milli, by all means. If someone said, yo, you gotta smack your mama for 50 mil, I'll say, mama, I'm sorry. Whack. Give me that money.
I don't want. Don't you do that to her?
She'll be okay. I'll buy her a house after. You know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah, she'll clean your clock first, man. You don't want to go against your mother. I know his mother. She wouldn't take that.
Faith. You won't see the flags on the Renko bars. So you will not see the flags on the Renkos. They're only on the standard candlestick. AKA, she can watch. My mom can watch right now. Mom, if you're watching this stream, I will smack you for $50 million and then buy you a house. It is what it is.
I'm calling PC
nah,
right now.
Mommy, don't listen to him. He's bugging. He's bugging, Mommy, if you're watching the stream.
I ain't bugging. Listen, she'll tell me a smack for 50 mil. My mom would be like, son, I understand. And then turn her face so I could get a clean smack.
My goodness. I think the Minaj is getting to you.
Yeah. Push, baby, push.
Yeah, it's pushing, but I ain't touching it.
You gotta love the wrist, man. You gotta love the wrist.
No, I do love the wrist, but today we haven't had real momentum. So there's really no reason to be jumping in.
It's just Christmas market, you know? The place is going to take a little bit longer to play out, but if you look at it, I'm like, yo, it's following structure. It's just taking its time, that's all.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, 26, mark it down. Before we end up this year, we're going to be in the stream. We're going to be flooring near 26.
I'm cool with it. How do you recognize or draw the flags? Well, it's pretty simple to recognize the flags. Faith, are you in the community? It's free. I break all this down where you can play back, reference it. And I show you what I'm looking for on the wrinkle bars as well to jump in and out of the trades. My recommendation, join the community so you could go to the vault and watch the videos because they will help you tremendously. And it's free.
Subscribe and hit that like button.
You heard my boy saying, subscribe and hit the like button.
We got a lot in store, man, in 2 weeks. Let's just say 2 weeks. We got a lot, man. Just subscribe, man.
Oh, we're crushing it right now. Over 91,000 views for the past 28 days.
Let's do it.
And we just started taking this thing serious.
Let's double up by January 10th. Let's double.
Well, gentlemen, I think it's my time to get off the stream because if I keep watching these markets, I may end up FOMOing, and it's not worth it at this point. It's 11:30.
You gotta hop in those bars with me one day. I got you, man. I'm going to convince you, bro. I got you.
You're gonna convince me to do what?
To take a bar with me when I hop on the
Nah, Sam.
I'll be like,
listen, you already got 52 fundeds, all right? You already got 52 funded. More power to you. I'm not gonna let you set me up. You know what I'm saying? I'll jump in on certain trades with you when I got 30 funded.
That's what you call. I'm trying to put some money in my brother's pocket, man. Come on.
No,
man.
I feel that. And I'm all for it. I want to put money in all our pockets. AK, did you join the community, sir? Because today was the day where you would want to avoid trading today. After market open, after the 15-minute range was completed, it's literally just been going sideways. Well, jump into the community, join the Legacy Wealth Society, click the Founders Group. That will get you in completely for free. And I got my full strategy video. And the best thing about the community is this. Everybody works together. So you could ask anyone in the community about trading advice, and they're going to help you. Because the whole goal for the community is to see everybody win. That's why we love the community. That's why we have so much fun on these streams, because we really want to see everyone just win in life and in trading. Faith, you can listen and see in here. For me personally, I do the standard candlesticks, and then for the reading the momentum, we use the Renko bar, and that's it. It's cleaner. It's cleaner. Well, gentlemen, Legacy, it's been a pleasure. Appreciate you guys vibing up with me. Hopefully, you guys are green for the day if you took trades. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Hopefully I see you guys on the Traders Hangouts tonight and tomorrow and Sunday. But anyways, if not, I'll see you guys Monday morning. Excited to hang out with you guys once again. And we'll reset during the weekend and come back Monday morning sharp, ready to execute.
Beautiful.
Well, you guys have a good one. Everyone says, I'm not leaving yet, Greg. I'm not leaving yet. I leave on Tuesday. So we're still going to be able to hang out some more here before I fly out. Yep, Legacy Wealth Society. That's the private trading community here. Join the Founders Group. It's completely free. Join the Founders Group, completely free. With that being said, Legacy, I will see you guys later. Be blessed.
Later on.
Greg, I am doing a Traders Hangout tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time for the entire weekend. So feel free to join. Have some fun with us. All right, guys, be safe on the YouTube. Stay safe in the markets, people, and have a great weekend. I'll see you guys tonight if you're tuning in for the Traders Hangout. Other than that, stay safe. Don't do anything reckless. And remember, stay blessed.